Number 2 in my recommendations for getting your start in the industry, second most important thing is to remember to be humble. When you're starting out, even if you've gone to technical school, you're still a baby. You don't know a whole heck of a lot yet. You may have a great solid education and you may have been top of your class, and that's awesome. Congratulations. But go into your first job humble and knowing that you know nothing in the grand scheme of things. And sometimes some of the older folks in the industry, they like to kind of razz on the younger kids and give them a hard time. They're less likely to do that if they know that you're genuine and you're there wanting to learn and you're driven by passion. And if you don't have an ego or an attitude. And I tell my new hires at my shop all the time, the fastest way to get yourself fired is letting your ego get in the way of your intelligence. Don't let ego or attitude get in the way of your success. Be humble. Know that you're just out of school and you're going to start out at the bottom. Now, there's a ton of great opportunity in this industry. I've made a great career for myself. I know a ton of people who've made great careers for themselves, and there's a lot of great money to be made as well. But you're not going to start out there. You're not going to start out making top dollar. You're going to start out at the bottom, and yes, you're going to have a lot of expenses because tools are not cheap, right? So it is challenging. However, if you come in humbly and you show the people who you're working with that you're genuinely there because you want to learn and you want to do this, you want to make this your life, then more times than not, folks are willing to take you under their wing and teach you and show you and give you the benefit of all of the lessons that they've learned over their 20, 30, 40 years of experience wrenching on vehicles and diagnosing vehicles. Humility, it's an important thing.